What is going on, fellow MTB shredders? Today I'm going to be attempting to learn how to do a tail whip on my hardtail mountain bike off this ramp in my backyard mountain bike trail in under an hour. Should be interesting. Stay tuned. This is gonna be a good one. Let's go learn how to do a tail whip in under an hour. Okay, so if y'all don't know, I have a pretty big trail system in my backyard. I don't have a huge backyard or anything, but as long as you're, you know, conservative with space and stuff, you can make a pretty cool trail system. So if y'all want to check out my backyard mountain bike trail, I'll have a playlist down below of all the videos that we've built stuff, done tours, ridden it, everything like that. So in the actually very end of one of my trails, I have this super small little kicker. It's made out of plywood. This is one of the first ramps that I ever built on my trail, and it still holds up great. I have some dirt to make a smooth transition onto it, compacted down real tight. And this ramp, though, the reason I built it right here is it has a perfect downslope. So if you land right here, you know, if you don't go far off Foss and you land right here, it's not too much of a slope, but it's not really huck to flat. But if you really boost it, you land right here on this pretty big downslope. So it's an awesome little fun ramp, and because it's made of plywood, you can really preload into the beginning and it almost launches you up. It's real sturdy though, and I think this is gonna be the perfect place to try and learn how to do a tail whip in under an hour, because the ramp's super boosted, super fun, but it's also just a real general long dirt landing, so it's not gonna be horribly consequential if I crash. Let's just get right into this. So I think I'm gonna warm up by doing a few just, you know, kind of bunny hops, twisting my handlebars, and because basically, if y'all don't know what a tail whip is, which, I mean, I shouldn't really be explaining it because I've never done one, but my friends have done it, I've seen videos and stuff. Basically, when you go up, you know, I'm sure sometimes you'll twist your handlebars a little bit. Looks kind of cool in the air, and it can help keep you balanced. Well, a tail whip is you basically, when you preload off, you twist your, if say you twist your handlebars left, well then you push your tail of your bike, the back of your bike, out to the right, and then correct right before you land. So it's basically a really cool trick, and can also be kind of helpful if you're in the air going sideways. You can correct, you know, the other way, and whether you're turning your handlebars left and putting your tail right or vice versa, it's a really cool trick, and I've always wanted to learn it, and I'm gonna try and learn it in under an hour. Here we go, first try. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Sorry if the audio is bad. It is pretty windy out here. I gotta be done. It is so hot out here, but I definitely progressed in under an hour. Really, it was like under half an hour, but I'm gonna go ahead and call it an hour just to be safe. But that was pretty awesome. I went from jumping like this to jumping like this. So pretty big difference. I hope y'all can tell on the camera, but I can definitely feel it. I'm gonna keep practicing this tail whip off camera. Hopefully I'll get a little bit better. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and real quick before I sign off, I want to talk a little bit about the future of this channel. I mentioned in the last video we're gonna have a serious talk. Well, we're gonna have that real quick. So if y'all don't know, this is actually the second YouTube channel I've started. My first one is called Hudson's Fishing Adventures, and that channel has over 1,550 subscribers, and that is my first channel, and that is the first channel that I basically want to see it through on. And what I mean by see it through on is that's the first channel that I want to get monetized, that I want to, you know, pass 10K subs on, everything like that. So I am going to be posting a lot more on that channel, but that doesn't mean you're not going to see videos on this channel. I'm going to be posting at least once every 2 weeks on this channel, hopefully more, especially during the summer. But if you want to see more videos from me and all the awesome adventures that we go on together, I would love if you check out my other channel, Hudson's Fishing Adventures. Also, some cool news for the channel is soon I'm going to be pre-ordering a new bike. If y'all don't know, I've actually been riding Trek Marlin 7 XC bike. That's way too small for me. So pretty soon we're gonna be upgrading, getting a larger bike and also a trail bike. So stay tuned for that video. And last but not least, I'm proud to announce that the Backyard Mountain Bike Trail is pretty much done. We don't really have any other stuff to build. So we're gonna see a lot of videos out there this summer, you know, riding it and stuff, maybe doing some touch up, maybe finding 1 or 2 more features we can build. But the trail is pretty much done. So this summer, we're not gonna be focusing as much on the Backyard Mountain Bike Trail, but more on just riding. We're gonna be riding some my neighborhood trails. We're gonna be riding all sorts of trails around. Thank you all so much for watching. Mind my hair, I know it looks horrible, I'm very sweaty. I'll see you on the next MTB adventure. Until next time, did that a little early. Peace out.